Is your iPad stuck in a reboot loop? Don't worry, we've got you covered. First, try a force restart. This can often break the reboot loop by clearing temporary glitches. For iPads with Face ID, quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally press and hold the top button until you see the Apple logo. For iPads with a home button, press and hold both the home and top or side buttons until the Apple logo appears. If your iPad exits the loop after this, you're all set. If your iPad turns on but gets stuck during startup, you may need to restore your iPad. Put your iPad into recovery mode. For iPads with Face ID, quickly press volume up, then volume down, then hold the top button until you see the recovery mode screen. For iPads with a home button, press and hold both the home and top or side buttons until recovery mode appears. When prompted, select Restore to reinstall the iOS firmware. This process will erase your device, so ensure you have a backup if possible. If you want a solution that minimizes data loss and simplifies the process, consider using MagFone iOS System Recovery. This powerful tool can repair your iPad system issues without erasing your data. Click Start. Select Standard Repair, which will not cause data loss. Check the information of the device and click Download. After the firmware package download verification is completed, click Start Standard Repair, and let MagFone work its magic to fix the reboot loop.